Good morning, students. As you have known that we have already started lesson 6 before the exam. So let's once again revise, children, whatever we have learned in our last class. Lesson 6, the world of birds. As the word sounds birds, this chapter is related to the birds. So let's know something more about the birds. As you know, children, birds are one of the most unique creatures on earth. They are the only animal that have feathers. Most of them can fly with the help of wings, feathers, and chest muscles. Children, only birds have feathers, so they are the unique creature on the earth. Let's see body structures of birds. What makes a bird fly? You know, children, what makes a bird fly? A bird can fly because it has board-shaped body, the wings, feathers, and the light body. These all things make a bird to fly. So let's see the main parts of the body of a bird. The main parts of the body of a bird are as the following given here. First one is head and trunk. Second one, wings and feathers. Third one, hollow bones filled with air and strong flight muscles. Fourth one, a tail which helps it to change its direction during flight. So children, the main parts of the body of a bird are head and trunk, wings and feathers, hollow bones, strong flight muscles, and a tail. These are the main parts of a bird. Children, some birds cannot fly as they have a large body and small wings. Birds like ostrich, emu, kiwi, and penguin are flightless birds. These birds have a heavy body. That's why they cannot fly. So these birds are also called flightless birds. Now let's see what the different feathers does a bird have. All birds have three kinds of feathers. All birds have three kinds of feathers. Let's see what are the three kinds of feathers, children. The first one is body feathers. Second one is your flight feather. And the third one is your down feather. Let's see the first kind of feathers, body feathers. These body feathers cover the body of a bird and are called body feathers. They give the shape to its body. These body feathers, it gives shapes to the body of a bird. Second kind of feather is flight feathers. As the word sound flight feathers, these feathers help a bird to fly. These feathers are attached to the wings and tail of a bird. That's why these are called flight feathers. Children, you can see this flight feather in this picture also. Here the flight feathers is given. Now the third kind of feather is down feathers. These feathers are soft, short and fluffy. These down feathers are soft, short and fluffy. They cover the birds just like a sweater and keep its body warm. A newborn bird has a lots of down feathers. Children, these down feathers keeps the body of a bird warm. And a newborn bird means the baby bird has a lots of down feather which keeps the body its warm. So children, from this we comes to know the three kinds of feather. These are body feathers, flight feathers and down feather. You can see from this picture flight feathers, down feathers are given here. So children, now come to the canvas section. Name the important body parts of a bird. As we have already learned that the main body parts of a bird are head and trunk, hollow bones, flight muscles and a tail. Now the second one is your name two birds which cannot fly. Emu, ostrich. Number 3. The bones of a bird are heavy. True or false? This is false. As you know children, the bones of a bird are light and are filled with air. Hollow. The bones of a bird are hollow. They have hollow bones which filled with air. So children, now this about the beaks we will discuss in brief in our next class. Hope you children you all understand. Thank you.